Chapter 5. The Structure of Plant. Introduction. The earth is a wonderful place to live in. It has lush green forests that are a home to a wide variety of birds and animals. These depend on plants for their survival. Even we depend on plants for many of our needs, including food, oxygen, and many industrial requirements. Plants form the basis on life on the earth. In this chapter we will know about our green friends plants. Leaf. Most plants have green leaves. Leaves are green due to a green-colored pigment called chlorophyll. Only green leaves can make food for the plant in the presence of sunlight. Due to this they are called the food factory of a plant. Parts of a leaf. A leaf has many parts like leaf stalk, leaf apex, leaf blade, midrib and side veins. Side veins, several small veins that run from the midrib to all over the leaf blade are called side veins. They help to carry water, minerals and food to different parts of the leaf. Leaf stalk, it attaches the leaf blade to the stem. Leaf apex, the tip of the leaf is called the leaf apex. Midrib, the main vein that runs down the center of the leaf is called the midrib. Leaf blade, the flat part of the leaf is called the leaf blade. The underside of a leaf has many small pores called stomata. It is through the stomata that a leaf takes in carbon dioxide and releases oxygen in the air during the process of photosynthesis. How do leaves make food? The green leaves are called kitchen of the plants because they prepare food for the plant. The process by which green plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means preparing or putting together. Plants absorb water and minerals from the soil with the help of roots. They absorb carbon dioxide from the air with the help of stomata. They get energy from the sun. Food in the form of glucose, which is a simple sugar, and oxygen gas is produced. Utilization of prepared food. 1. Once the food is prepared, it is transported to various parts of plant to give energy. 2. It is also used for the formation and the growth of new cells. 3. Extra food is stored in leaves, roots, stems and flowers in the form of starch. It is thus stored food which is eaten by human beings. Sunlight is essential for photosynthesis. Take a potted plant with green leaves. Cover one of its leaves partly with a black paper strip. Keep it in sunlight and let it stay outdoors for a day. Pluck this covered leaf, remove the strip and boil it in water. After washing it with cold water, put a few drops of iodine solution on it. You will notice that the green portion of the leaf turns blue-black because of the presence of starch in it. The covered part does not change color because it could not prepare food in the absence of sunlight. Functions of a leaf. The leaves of plants generally prepare food for the plants. They help the plants to take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen through stomata. Some leaves even store extra food. For example, leaves of cabbage, spinach, fenugreek, etc. store food. We eat these as vegetables. Some unusual plants. Some plants like crotons have red leaves because of presence of red pigment in them. They have chlorophyll too, but the red pigment hides the green color. Photosynthesis takes place in such leaves also. Plants like moles and mushroom are non-green plants. They do not contain chlorophyll. Therefore, they cannot make their own food. They depend on dead and decayed plants for their food. Energy flow in living things. Sun is the main source of energy on the earth. Every living being directly or indirectly gets energy from the sun. During photosynthesis, green plants trap the sun's energy and prepare their food. This energy is passed to human beings and animals when they eat the food. In this way, energy passes from the sun to plants, then to human beings and animals. Interdependence between plants and animals. Plants and animals depend on each other for their survival. Plants prepare their food with the help of carbon dioxide. This gas is released by animals. Animals need oxygen and food from plants for their survival. This is called interdependence. Balance in nature. A balance between the number of plants and animals in nature is very important. If there is an increase in the number of animals, the plants may not be able to supply enough food and oxygen to all. Similarly, if there is an increase in the number of plants, the carbon dioxide supplied by animals may not be enough for the plants. To maintain the balance in nature, wild animals are protected in many wildlife reserves and sanctuaries. Programs like Van Mahotsava Festival promote the planting of trees. They spread awareness among people about the demerits of cutting down the trees. To continue life on Earth, balance in nature should be maintained.